Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Now I know what you're thinking. Oh my goodness, Rebecca, your outfit is so cute. You look so beautiful today. But it's not about me. It's about the food. Today I am making a very simple, quick and easy egg fried rice, also known as egg and rice. And you're gonna need only a couple of ingredients to recreate this dish at home, which is perfect for this time because right now it's quarantine, so it avoids any unnecessary trips to the supermarket because I'm pretty sure you have a lot of these ingredients in your pantry. And also, this is my nephew Elijah, and he will be assisting me today. He is executive head chef. I don't know if that's what you call it, but he is of this kitchen. So let's get right to the recipe and jump into it. Say hi. For this recipe, all I've done was crack 3 eggs, and I've also whisked it in a bowl. I've also gone ahead and prepared a ½ cup of white basmati rice. I've also chopped up some tomatoes, some onions, some wiri pepper. You can use any hot pepper that you wish. Also, if you don't like hot pepper, well then you don't need to put it in your food. And also some red onions because I absolutely love red onions. You can also go ahead and add some celery and some green onions to your dish as well. I didn't have any, so these are the vegetables I'm adding today. In terms of seasoning, all I'm going to do is use salt, MSG, which is optional because I know a lot of people don't use that in their food, and also some black pepper. And all of these seasonings are to taste. Okay, so let's jump right into it. Let's go. Let's say let's go. So at this point, I've just put my stove on and I put my pot on top of my stove, and I'm gonna add a little bit of margarine to my pot, and I'm going to cook my vegetables in my margarine. But what's hilarious is that I just opened up this tub of margarine and there's like baked macaroni inside it instead of margarine. So that's how you know you're also in a West Indian household, when there's like other types of food inside butter dishes. Anyhow, now that I've actually gotten my margarine, I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of it to my pot so that it can melt instead of using some oil. And I'm going to actually cook my vegetables in the margarine once it's all warmed up. So once my pan is hot, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my vegetables. So I'm gonna add in my onions, and I'm gonna go ahead and add in my red peppers. Not my red peppers, sorry, my red onions. I'm gonna go ahead and add in some of my wiri pepper. And as, I'm not sure if you can hear because my nephew is pretty loud playing with his trick, but there's a nice little sizzle going on as well to cook these veggies. I'm gonna go ahead and add my tomatoes. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and add my 3 eggs that I've whipped, and I'm going to mix that in with my vegetables. What I'm looking for is to create a nice scrambled egg effect with my veggies. So once these scrambled eggs have reached the consistency that you wanted to add, I didn't want my eggs to be too watery, obviously, because I'm going to be putting my rice in here. I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little touch of salt to it. Not too much, because most of my seasonings are going to be added after I add my rice. Once my eggs are done, I'm gonna go ahead and add my rice, which I've already cooked, and it's just ½ cup of white basmati rice. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix my egg and all my veggies in with my rice. And again, if you want to add way more egg, you can go ahead and do that as well. Because looking at it now, I definitely would like to add more egg to my egg fried rice. So I'm probably even gonna go back and just whip up a little bit more. Now at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my salt. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my black pepper as well. and some of my MSG, which I said earlier is optional. And at this point, you can go ahead and taste your food and figure out if you want to add anything else to it. Alright guys, so this is my take on a Guyanese egg fried rice or egg and rice. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe and this video. If you did, let me know in the comments below. And if you make your egg fried rice in a different way, then let me know just by commenting. Let me know how you make it, what ingredients you use, how it might be different or similar to mine. If you use this recipe, then don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Rebecca's Cookup so I can repost all of your yummy recreations. You can show your support by liking, commenting, subscribing, and turning on that bell so that you can be notified when I post another video. This is sort of like a millennial take on egg fried rice, and I hope you liked it. Anyways, I'll see you next time in my next cooking video. Have a great day.